Hey, what's up, guys? Today has been a brutal day in the stock market. If you look at my portfolio is down close to $4,500. I was trying to catch some air here when the stock market was opened. I was down $1,000 and I started selling cash secured puts for the week. But then, as they say, do not catch a falling knife, and that's what happened. All of my portfolio stocks have been going down. If you look at my QQQ position, which I hold 100 shares of, it is down $15 just in today, over 3.29% down for the day. Usually, this happens once a year or twice a year in rare cases, but this has happened in last 2 months. It has happened twice now that Nasdaq 100 is down over 3.3% for the day, and SPY is no exception. SPY is also down 2.33%. This is S&P 500 ETF, and I have accumulated some 22.6 shares of this. And then also my other big investment in SCHD, which I hold 515 shares of, is also down 1%, which is the least among the top three holdings that I have in this portfolio. So looking into what other options that I played for the day, I am selling a cash secured put on SOXL. What has happened today is earlier today at around 9:40, which was the time that I sold the cash secured put, I collected some 14 or 17 cents for 29 strike price. And the strike price, if you see here, the current price is now $29. So I was expecting it not to go below that. The stock price or the ETF price at 940 was at 35. So I gave myself a buffer of $6, which has wiped away with this drop of almost 24% in a single day. This is an amazing play. I wanted this to drop, but not this much in a single day. I wanted this ETF. This is semiconductor bull ETF. This holds AVGO, AMD, Nvidia, all the top semiconductor uh, e- stocks that you can think of are all part of this leveraged ETF. Since it is leverage ETF, so if all of those shares have gone down 10%, this has gone down 30%. So it is basically a three times of what those shares or those holdings perform. Uh, it is down 24%, meaning almost all of the semiconductor on average, the holdings are down 8%. I should have sold the cash secured put on one of my favorite stock, that is Nvidia, which I only hold five here in this account at $106 or $107 price on average, which is currently almost the same price. I should have made a lot more money here if I would have waited for the day, but it is what it is. I'm okay with this drop of $4,800, the 3% loss today. Uh, but here's the sheet, the selling calls and puts premium sheet that I create. So I sold this the cash secured put at $29 strike price of today. Earlier in the day, I collected $237 and some change with 14 contracts, and each contract gave me 17 cents. So uh, but then later today I was able to roll that option to 9/13. So September 13th is the expiration date now, which I really don't want to go 2 weeks out, honestly. But this is 10 days since Monday was off. So we have a short week this week. And then I am rolling this option with the $27 strike price. So meaning per share I save $2 here as well. So for 1400 shares for 14 contracts that I had, I rolled back $2, so I gained $2,800 back plus $139. That is why you see the net balance here is in positive $376. The only thing here is that I will not be able to sell any cash secured put for the next week unless I buy these back, which is highly unlikely, which I'm not gonna do. I will let it expire, be it worthless or in the money, and I will start selling covered calls. One of my covered call on SOXL with only one contract, the average price for SOXL that I bought at was 29.99. It is now down below my average price, and I was selling a covered call at $35, the strike price. So if you see the dip, this dip is really deep. I've lost 95% of the money on that, meaning now it's out of the money. I'm okay with holding SOXL in long term, not long term, but basically in manners of 2-3 weeks or months. I'm okay with that, and that's the power of leveraged ETF. You buy low and then you can wave the ride up and then collect more premium as you sell covered calls on your existing shares. So I'm gonna keep doing this. This has been a really bad day for the market. SOXL specifically is down 24%. Nvidia, companies like Nvidia are down 10% in a single day, which is quite unheard of. But this is the time to buy. So what I did today is that I invested more money. The premium that I collected from this $376, I reinvested back buying of SPY, which is why you see our daily transaction or recurring investment that I have here. Plus, I invested $237, two times 118. One time here 9 minutes ago and one time early in the morning. So I've collected zero point 0.6 shares of SPY today, and I try to buy on the red days, since my average cost is below the current price of SPY. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I'll see you guys in my next video with the better update with my portfolio in green, and I'll catch you there. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.